The materials used in modern vehicles continue to evolve. What are these materials and what are the welding requirements? We're going to find out next. We've all witnessed a decline in mild steel and the increase in high-strength steel. Various strengths of high-strength steel and ultra-high-strength steel are becoming more commonplace. Thinner, stronger types of steel continue to be developed and will see their way into the vehicles of tomorrow. These higher strength steels play a key role in OEMs recommending or requiring spot welds for collision repairs. Squeeze-type resistance spot welding, or STRSW, creates a much smaller heat effect zone than plug welds. This is important, as many higher strength steels are limited to the amount of heat that can be applied to them. When spot welding is used during repairs, ultra-high strength may not weld the same as mild steel. The welder will almost inevitably need a different setting for ultra-high strength steel to make a proper weld. The vehicle maker may also have requirements for specific spot welding machines that may have preset programs for specific applications. Some spot welders may only need the sheet thickness and the type of material to be input, and the welder will make the necessary adjustments. When performing squeeze-type resistance spot welding, here are a few things to keep in mind. Most ultra-high-strength parts are typically replaced using squeeze-type resistance spot welds at a factory seam and GMA mag plug welds used to attach the part where a spot welder cannot reach. Some vehicle makers like Honda and Acura have specific guidelines and restrictions when welding on 1500 MPa steel. With spot welding equipment, check and make sure that the welder is receiving the correct voltage at the receptacle. This is extremely important because if the voltage is too low, it will not make a good weld. In our next video, we'll talk about how verification is key after performing squeeze-type resistance spot welding. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.